Mbalulu sasazwa ngqo lwendaba estudio 10 kwikomkhulu le-SABC eGlen Park eRhawutini naseziphambili. Inkokheli ye-EFF uJulius Malema igwetywa iminyaka emihlanu entolongweni ngokophula umthetho wemipu woMzantsi Afrika kwaye uyabhena kwesi sigwebo. Isekela ngqwayi lamapolisa omasipala waseKuruleni elinqunyanyiswe uJulius Mkhwanazi livume litshitshiliza ukuba lalukuhla ukhala wamapolisa IPD ngengxelo yalo enganyanyisekanga ngesiganeko sokwebiwa kwamatye anqabileyo esasibandakanya amapolisa kamasipala waseKuruleni eRhawutini. Inzwi ayityeba ngiteketeke imbizi yasemini nje yelali xa inje masikawule siwarhuqa. Inkokheli ye-EFF umnumzana Julius Malema igwetywe iminyaka emihlanu inkolonkolozo entolongweni ngokudubula ngomphu esidlangalaleni. Umnumzana Malema wafunyaniswe netyala lokudubula umphu esidlangalaleni ngethuba iqela lakhe lalibhiyozela ukufinca iminyaka emihlanu ngo-2018 kwibala lezemidlalo isisaduka eMdantsane. Esenzo sashicilelwa kwividiyo yasasazwa kumakhasi onxibelelwano.
Iwisa isigwebo inkundla ifumanise ukuba isenzo sikaMalema sasinobuzaza kakhulu kukhuseleko lwabantu. Watsho uMantyi emthi nka ngesigwebo seminyaka emihlanu enkolonkoloza kwezimnyama izisele.
In respect of count 1, you are sentenced to a period of 5 years imprisonment. In respect of count 2, you are sentenced to a period of 2 years imprisonment. In respect of count 3, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 4, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 5, you are sentenced to pay a fine of 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In terms of section 280, subsection 2 of Act 51 of 1977, the court orders that the sentence imposed in respect of counts 2, 3, 4, and 5 run concurrent with the sentence imposed in respect of count 1.
Kunjalo igqiza lamagqwetha kaMalema lifake isibheno kakwesi sigwebo liqambula ngelithi sibaxiwe ke noko. Kanti abatshutshisi balibhebhethile ibango lokuba sibaxiwe isigwebo besithi asisayi kuphumelela isibheno.
Ukuhlalutya iziphumo sesisigwebo kule nkokheli sikhwebe umhleli wendaba zopolitiko apha e-SABC umnumzana Mzondile Mbeje. Shadu kandaba masikwamkele lidudumela gqekreza kwisixeko sakugompo. Khawutsho ingabe sesigwebo sithetha ukuthini kule nkokheli uMalema neqela layo i-EFF?
Sibonga kakhulu sibingelele nakubabukeli into ebaluleke kakhulu njengoba uzokhumbula phela ukuthi umnumzana uMalema umholi weqembu lezepolitiki. Iqembu lezepolitiki ke liyamelwa eParliament ukuze ukwazi ukuba ilunga leParliament akumele ukuthi ube umuntu ke ogwetshiwe ngoba lokho iParliament umthetho sisekela awuvumi lokho. Njengoba nje esegwetshiwe kuzoba nzima kakhulu ingakho ubona ezama imizamo yokuthi ke ngempela lelicala mhlambe ke lidluliselwe phambili ukuze kube neziphumo kumbe imphumela ehlukile kunale eyenzekile ngoba kuzoyiphazamisa kakhulu i-EFF ikakhulukazi ngoba phela selokhu yasungulwa umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema asazi ngempela ukuthi makuthi ugcina ejele kuzokwenzekani ngoba phela ke akaze iholo omunye umuntu.
Khawutsho Shandu ulifumene ilungelo lokuba makabhene kwicala lesigwebo kodwa kwicala lokubefunyaniswe netyala kuthiwa akalinikwa ngelo lungelo. Ingabe ithetha ukuthini lonto?
Imantshi ikube kwacaca ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi lamacala abekwe wona amacala abucayi ngempela ayikwazi ukuthi iwahoxise wona kumbe imnike ilungelo lokuthi edlulisele phambili. Kodwa yasithi imantshi kungenzeka mhlambe enye inkantolo ithi noma imnike isigwebo mhlambe imnike isigwebo esihlukile kunalesi. Yileyo nto nje kuphela enzekayo njengamanje yena kodwa umuntu njengamanje ke osebekwe icala ngokusemthethweni into nje okuzokhulunywa ngayo manje ukuthi ngabe mhlambe isigwebo anikwe sona simfanele yini noma mhlambe kumele sehliswe umehluko yilo kuphela.
Khawutsho Shandu njengaba semfuthweni wezopolitiko ingaba sikhona isicwangciso se-EFF mhlambe sobukhokheli ingakumbi kulonyaka kujongwe ekugayini inxaso yonyolo lomasipala.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi ke uyazi ukuthi indaba zenkantolo zithatha isikhathi yebo namhlanje ngoba udaba lolu sikhuluma ngalo lusematheni kodwa ke ukusukela manje mhlawumbe kuyophela unyaka ngoba phela izinkambiso zenkantolo zithatha isikhathi uzokwazi uma ukuthi ke uyavunyelwa ukuthi eqhubeke nokuthi edlulisele phansi phambili ukuthi eqhubeke nokuthi esebenze njengomholi wezepolitiki kuze kufike isinqumo la inkantolo khona yokugcina iyothatha isinqumo uzokhumbula ke phela ukuthi akazi ukugcina ngokuthi edlulisele enkantolo ekugomba kuphela uma ukuthi akenele uzodlula enkantolo ephezulu uma ukuthi akeneli nalapho uzodlula eze efike ngisho ku Constitutional Court inkantolo yomthethosisekelo wakubeka kwacaca ukuthi akakholwa ukuthi ke lokhu kubeka amacala kuyinto esemthethweni ingakho uzolwa nakho kuze kube sekugcineni njengoba namhlanje ku 2026 mhlambe lolu daba lingagcina lixazululuke ngo 2029
khawutsho ke njengoba usithi uzawuba nedlulise banedlulisa abukho ubungozi mhlawumbe ukuthi ekudluliseni kwakhe apho ekugqibeleni mhlawumbe noba ye Constitutional Court ithi imanje kugwebe kancinci masikugwebe kakhulu abukho ubungozi
bukhona ubungozi obunjalo bukhona sesike sabona inkantolo zikuyenzeka mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ithi inkantolo mayisilibukisisa lolu daba echa kahle kahle kwakufuneka ugwetshwe kakhulu kunalokho kugwebile kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba sebebhekile ukuthi ke ugwetshelweni mhlawumbe bazokwazi ukuthi ke begcine beyehlisa mhlawumbe ke ngicabanga ukuthi ke ngucacisela abalaleli ukuthi into eyenza ukuthi ke elwe kakhulu nalesi sigwebo uma ngabe ke ugwetshwa usozopolitiki akumele ukuthi ube ilunga leParliament uma ukuthi ugwetshwa unyaka kungabi khona indaba yokuthi ukhokhe inhlawulo ifine uma uthi ugwetshwa kukhishwe konke lokho kufuneka uphume eParliament into ke esho ukuthini lokho ngisho ngathiwa siya ku 2029 eminyakeni embalwa ezayo ake sithi ke iEFF iyaluwina lolo khetho uma kuukuthi ke akakwazi ukuba ilunga leParliament kusho ukuthi iEFF ngaluwina ukhetho kodwa ngeke kwazi ukuthi ke ebe ingxenye ngani na ngoba uma ugwetshiwe awuvunyelwe ukuthi ke ube seParliament uvunyelwe kuphela uma ukuthi ugwetshiwe ake sithiwe unikwe inyanga ezu12 kumbe unyaka noma kuthiwa khokha inhlawulo lapho uvumelekileke uma kuukuthi kungaphezulu kwalokho akuvumelekile uyaphuma eParliament ukhumbule ukuthi amaqembu ezepolitiki phele uyipolitiki ngenxa yokuthi ke ufuna ukubamba ingxenye kumbe ukuphatha umbuso uma ukuthi ke indlela yakho iyavaleka ayikho into ongayenza engahlala nje engaba usozopolitiki nje ehlele ngaphandle kodwa ayikho ayoyenza ngaphakathi lokho kuyosho ke ukuthi ke usebenzela izele
kokugqibela Shandu khawutsho lenkokheli kudala ingena iphume ezinkundleni ibonwa nje ngesebenzisa ezonkundla ukugaya inxaso ingaba elityala la kugombe lemsebenzele nalo
ngangisho ukuthi limsebenzele ngoba usegwetshiwe ngoba uma ugwetshwa kusho ukuthi amalungelo akho ngempela ayahamba ingakho ukudlulisela phambili kuyinto ebalekile ngoba akumsebenzelanga uma uthole u5 years khumbula ngitheni kufanele uthole unyaka
okanye ngaphansi
uma ngabe uthola ngaphezulu kwalokho akukusebenzeli ngoba iyakhipha eParliament iParliament iyona nqola abayisebenzisayo ukuthi ke bebe ingxenye kaHulumeni ukhumbule phela lonke iqembu lezepolitiki njengoba kusuke kuyokhethweni lifuna ukuphatha izwe kusho ukuthi wena uzokhankasa nje ukhankasela abanye ngisho ukuthi iqembu lakho liyawina lizowina uhlalo babuke bengena abanye angicabanga ukuthi into ayifunayo leyo
sibonga ngasibe nishandu chaba nje lixesha ukandisele kuyiminyaka engaphezulu kwelishumi uJulius Malema wangena eParliament kwengelo xesha ubona nje ngomnyonke ukelizopolitiki ezinofuthe elimandla ukusukela kunquzulwano wayesakuba umongameli umnumzana Jacob Zuma nasekungabonini ngasonye nomongameli Cyril Ramaphosa intatheli yethu eParliament yomkhokheli bandla ithunga injobe bandla
Pay back the money. Pay back.
Ezibhereti zibomvu zazenzile igama ngo2014 zinyanzelisa impendulo ngomba wasenkandla nekwabonakala indlela yazo engqala ngqo ipolitiki kaMalema ibikobonakala xa ithetha ngqo ngenguqu ezimandla ezidingekayo kwezoqoqosho eMzantsi Afrika.
Mr. President, you clearly do not know what a radical economic transformation means. What is radical about EPWP? What is radical about buying stolen land? Maybe we must give you a few tips on what is radical economic transformation. You must be prepared if you want to advance this agenda of radical transformation to expropriate the stolen land without compensation.
Ngexesha likaZuma imimoya yayisokwiphezulu eParlamente uma lemeko aphakamisa imibuzo ngobumongameli bukaZuma.
Your legacy can be summed up into three things: Mushini wam, Nkandla, Guptas.
Wayekwanquzulana ke naye nowayesakuba ngusomlomo weParlamente uBaleka Mbethe nekwakuye kukhokelela ekubeni amane ukukhutshelwa ngaphandle eParlamente.
I'm rising here on your invitation to leave, Chair. I'm rising on your invitation. I'm not working for you. I'm not here on your invitation.
Phantsi kobumongameli bukaRamaphosa okungquzulana kuye kwaqhubeka ukusuka ukumana ukumisa indlewiso mthetho ukuya kwizityholo ezinobuzaza azenza ngaphakathi eParlamente.
You can take me to jail for that. Cyril has got blood of innocent
Honorable
people.
Ngo-2020 waphinda wenza okunye kwabasesithatheni ephikisana nokubakho kwayesakuba ngumongameli uFW de Klerk ngexesha leSona. Ngo-2014 igama likaMalema layilaphakanyiswa njengomgqatswa kwisikhundla sikamongameli eParlamente kodwa ezo nzame zaphanza. Xa kunamhlanje ikamva lakhe eParlamente lingaxhomekeka kwiinkundla zamatyala, kaloku amalungu eParlamente ayengakwazi ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi wawo ukuba agwetywe iinyanga ezingaphaya kwe-12 ngapha kwezitshixo enganikwa nyoba yamdliwo. Indoda eyakhe udonga lwayo lepolitiki ngokuzimela ngoku ingaxhomekeka kwiinkundla zamatyala, hayi iParlamente kwikamva layo. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingumkhokeli bandla ndiseParlamente.
Sinamkela kwakhona kwindaba zelijelo yakwazi ukubukela izindaba kwijelo le-YouTube uTSABC indaba zesiXhosa. Kwinqaku lethu lokuqala sithe inkokheli ye-EFF uMnumzana Julius Malema igwetywe iminyaka emihlanu inkolonkolozo entolongweni ngokudubula ngomphu esidlangalaleni. uMnumzana Malema wafunyaniswe netyala lokudubula umphu esidlangalaleni ngethuba iqela lakhe lalibhiyozela ukufinca iminyaka emihlanu ngo-2018 kwibala lezemidlalo isisadukashe eMdantsane. Esi senzo sashicilelwa kwividiyo yasasazwa kumakhasi onxibelelwano. Ukanti abaxhasi baphefumule nabo emva kokwisa kwesigwebo.
We are disappointed in the sanction that has been given out by the racist magistrate of East London. However, we are not shocked. You can remember that we had already anticipated that she'll try to send our president and commander-in-chief to direct imprisonment. So we are not shocked, but we are disappointed that she indeed took the mandate of AfriForum, she took the mandate of Donald Trump, she took the mandate of Solidarity and all the white racists. That this shows her true color. However, we have not yet lost hope in the judiciary. That is why we came even prepared. You'd know that we are currently in the Eastern Cape High Court. We are also going to the Appeals Court to make sure that the president does not spend even a single minute in prison. So we are very confident that the judiciary will indeed ensure that the president does not spend the night in jail.
Our spirits are very high. That's why we are here at Grahamstown. And there is another team at the Constitutional Court. He will not sleep for a minute in the cell. We will get a judge on duty to hear the matter for a bail appeal.
We went to the court knowing that we've got a guilty verdict. What we wanted was a different punishment in sort.
Isixeko saseTshwane sithi imithetho kamasipala izivumela icawa ukuba zisebenzise indlela ezixakekileyo zakhiwe phantsi kweblorho okanye kwiindawo ezingenanto ezingafumananga imvume kamasipala. Esi sixeko sibalule indlela ezixakekileyo eziquka uwola wendlela u-R80 ukuya eMabopane, u-R101 no-M39 nezixanana zezakhiwo zecawe ngokungekho mthethweni.
Ukuqatsela kwecawe ezingagunyaziswanga ngakwindlela ezixakekileyo kubangela inkxalabo, kambe ke amanye amabandla ahlangana kwiindawo ezisesigangeni kungekho lungelelwaniso lokhuseleko kwingozi. Abasemagunyeni bayabongozwa ukufumana izisombululo ezikhusela iinkonzo zonqulo kanye neempilo ezisemngciphekweni.
This land is belong to the municipality. They're the one that's supposed to be responsible for those churches because they are not registered.
They coming from different countries, some maybe Mozambique, some Zimbabwe, but mainly from Zimbabwe. Mina angiboni problem ngoba bayasonta.
I don't think it's safe because they bring children here and then there's a road
and there's a river here, so it's not right.
Isixeko saseTshwane sithi lo gama inkululeko mayelana nenkolo ikokosiwe kodwa ezindibano azimelanga kuxhoxa ukhuseleko loluntu nemithetho kamasipala.
We can't worship in places that are a danger to society, whether it is traffic, whether it is, as you suggesting, on the shoulder of roads where people can be injured.
Kananjalo abasemagunyeni balumkise ngelithi ezinkonzo zingaphazamisana nabaqhubi yaye zandise umngcipheko wengozi ke ngoko amagosa ezendlela athi aphansi phezulu nokuzisusa ezinkonzo kwindlela ezimanqada-nqada.
Well, currently negotiations are underway with the people who have erected those, and they are not supposed to be there. We are just trying to get into the legalities, who actually gave them permission. But some of the congregants have already alluded to the fact that actually they didn't get permission from anyone else. They just decided on their own that they want to erect churches there.
Ukanti ke umasipala wesixeko saseTshwane uthi iinkqubo zothethathethwano nababandakanyekayo abaquka isebe lemicimbi yezekhaya nelamapolisa esixeko zilindeleke ukuqhubeka nanjengoko inkxalabo mayela neecawe ezisebenzisa indlela ezixakekileyo nabathengisi abasakhasayo bethabatha indawo ngokungekho mthethweni.
Isekela ngqwayiqwayi lamapolisa omasipala waseGuruleni elinqunyanyisiweyo Julius Mkhwanazi livume elitshitshiliza ukuba lalukuhla ukhala umapolisa IPD ngengxelo yalo enganyanyisekanga ngesiganeko sokwebiwa kwamatye anqabileyo esasibandakanya amapolisa kamasipala waseGuruleni eGauteng. Lusuku lwesithathu Mkhwanazi enikubungqina kwikomishoni kaMadlanga.
Umkhwanazi ubuzwe ngesiganeko esenzeka ngoFebruary 2023 eKhilani eGauteng apho amapolisa umasipala waseGauteng atsiba umda wawo aqhuba ugogo kwindlu eseKhilani eGauteng nalapho atyholwa ngokweba amatye anqabileyo. Eso siganeko sapikwa kukhala ujongene nokuziphatha kwamapolisa iIPD nalapho kaMkhwanazi wanika ingxelo. Emva kokuxikixwa ngemibuzo ngokunganyaniseki kwalo ngxelo wayenzayo ekugqibeleni emva kokuphekwa ude wavuma ukuba eneneni wayipheka inyani eyidibanisa nobuxoki.
My concern is you and Mackenzie initially misled IPID because when IPID initially interviewed the two of you, you did not mention that at some point while the operation was ongoing, you arrived at this address. Am I correct that when you were initially interviewed by IPID, you did not mention that you arrived at the address?
You are correct, Commissioner.
Usaqhuba kambe mnumzana Mkhwanazi nokuxikixwa ngemibuzo kwikomishoni kaMadlanga.
Indaba zipheli mawethu nto nje utshaba lixesha umabhayi uyeza nezikulu ngentsimbi yesixhenxe mazenethole.